Incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is a phenomenon which was newly found after Mendelism. Mendel stressed on dominance. One allele is dominant over another allele, which is called recessive. But Mendel's concept of dominance was not accepted universally because there were certain cases where you will observe incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is exhibited by certain plants. For example, incomplete dominance is exhibited by flower color in snapdragon plant or dog flower or Antirrhina majus. The scientific name of snapdragon is Antirrhina majus. Incomplete dominance is also shown by 4 o'clock plant, scientific name Mirabilis jalapa. Now let us make a cross with the help of which you will understand what is incomplete dominance. Let us suppose capital R is the allele controlling red flower in snapdragon and small r is the allele controlling white flower of snapdragon or Antirrhinum. Now make a cross. Red flowered plant crossed with white flowered plant. Genotypes are capital R, small r, smaller. Gametes are formed. Gametes are formed. F1 generation. After fusion of gametes, F1 generation consists of capital R, small r. Interestingly, F1 generation consists of pink flowered snapdragon. The color of the flower is not red. The color of the flower is pink, and since it is capital R smaller, it is heterozygous or hybrid, but they are pink flowered, not red. Now selfing between F1 generation, capital R smaller, gametes are formed from this plant, capital R smaller, two types of gametes. From this plant also, these two types of gametes are formed. So F2 generation consists of what? Red flowered snapdragon, pink flowered snapdragon, pink flowered snapdragon, white flowered snapdragon. The phenotypic ratio 1 red, 2 pink, 1 white. Phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1. What is the genotypic ratio? 1 homozygous, 2 heterozygous, 1 homozygous. Genotypic ratio is also 1:2:1. But in case of Mendel's monohybrid cross, you have seen phenotypic ratio was 3:1 and genotypic ratio was 1:2:1. But in incomplete dominance, both phenotypic and genotypic ratios are 1:2:1. So incomplete dominance means one allele is incompletely dominant over the other allele. Incomplete dominance is a phenomenon in which the alleles in a pair are not related as dominant and recessive. The dominant allele is not in a position to completely suppress the expression of the recessive allele. Both the alleles, capital R smaller, in case of snapdragon for example, express themselves partially in F1 generation, in the F1 hybrid. That is, the two alleles express as a mixture or blend. As a result, the F1 hybrid or F1 progeny has a new phenotype, that is pink flower. The F1 hybrid has a new phenotype, pink flower, not red, not white, which is intermediate between those of the parents. The F1 generation F1 hybrid resembles neither of the parents. This is the main point. F1 generation resembles neither of the parents. Thus, the two contrasting alleles fail to express their typical phenotypes in F1 generation. So it is evident in this example. This is the allele for red flower. This is the allele for white flower, present in mirabilis and antivinum. Capital R and small r, they are not related as dominant and recessive. Capital R cannot completely suppress the expression of small r. Capital R is incompletely dominant over small r. So both the alleles express themselves in the F1 generation partially. Both the alleles capital R and small r express partially in the F1 generation, giving a new phenotype, pink flower. So pink color of the flower is a new phenotype. It is not in the parents. The parents were red and white flower. But pink color is the intermediate between the red and white color. So F1 generation F1 hybrid shows a completely new phenotype, which is intermediate between the parental phenotypes. So F1 generation is similar with neither of the parents. It resembles neither of the parents. It shows a completely new phenotype. So the two alleles R in snapdragon and mirabilis jalapa are expressed partially in F1 generation, and they are expressed as a mixture, as a blend. If you mix up red color and white color, you will get a pink color. So these two alleles are expressed in the F1 hybrid as a mixture or blend. Phenotypic genotypic ratios are the same, 1:2, 2:1. So this is the concept of incomplete dominance. This is an exception from Mendel's concept of dominance.